台灣話第二課之二
Taiwanese Lesson 2, Part 2.
文法
Grammar.
阮和咱
Are you including me or excluding me? A peculiarity of Taiwanese is that it has two forms of the first person plural.
阮
Excludes the person spoken to.
咱
Includes the person spoken to.
阮無愛食飯，你愛無？
We don't want to eat, do you?
咱無錢，
We, you, and I don't have any money. Singular and plural of nouns. The plural form of nouns is the same as the singular. Note, we shall learn later how to say one book, two books, this book. Do not attempt at this time to learn these expressions because they involve a further point of grammar. Enclitics.
無
Means or not. It ordinarily need not be translated, however, its function is to make a sentence interrogative.
無
Is an enclitic. An enclitic is a word or particle without an independent accent, treated in pronunciation as forming a part of the preceding word, like the English the and prithee and the not and cannot. In Taiwanese speech, the last word of a sentence usually does not change tone. An enclitic, however, is in the third tone, regardless of the original tone of the word.
你愛食果子無？
Do you want to eat fruit?
愛，我愛食果子，
Yes, I want to eat fruit.
無愛，我無愛食果子。
No, I don't want to eat. To form a question. There are many ways of forming questions. In these two lessons, we have several. We may use such terms as
無，是無，啥物，偌濟。你愛食無？
Do you want to eat? Do you want to eat it?
你是神父，是無？
Are you a priest?
你愛食啥物？
What do you want to eat?
迄愛偌濟錢？
How much does that cost? To answer a question. There are many ways of answering. One of the most common is to use the same verb that was used in the question.
你愛食飯無？愛，無愛。
Do you want to eat? Yes, no.
你愛啥物？阮愛食飯，阮無愛啥物。
What do you want? We want to eat. We don't want anything.
你有冊無？有，我有冊。無，我無冊。
Do you have a book? Do you have any books? Yes, I have a book. Yes, I have some books. No, I don't have any books. NB
是，
is used to affirm a statement,
毋是。
to negate a statement.
你是牧師，是無？是，我是牧師。毋是，我毋是牧師。
Are you a minister? You are a minister, are you? Yes, I am a minister. No, I am not a minister.
這是果子，是無？是，這是果子。毋是，這毋是果子。
This is fruit, isn't it? Yes, this is fruit. No, this is not fruit. Translate the following sentences into Taiwanese. Do you have money? Yes, we do have money. No, we don't have money. Is this a book? Yes, it is a book. No, it isn't a book. Please come again. I will. Do you want to eat? Yes, I do want to eat. No, I don't want to eat. Do you like rice? Yes, I do like rice. No, I don't like rice. Let me treat you to some fruit. I don't want any, thanks. He has no money. I have $58. How much do you have? I have $97. Are they students? Yes, they are students. No, they are not students. The following sentences are the Taiwanese equivalent of the above sentences. Do not look at these until you have translated the above sentences in class.
恁有錢無？有，阮有錢。無，阮無錢。這是冊，是無？是，這是冊。毋是，這毋是冊。請你過來坐。好。你愛食飯無？愛，我愛食飯。無愛，我無愛食飯。你愛食飯無？愛，我愛食飯。無愛，我無愛食飯。我請你食果子，多謝，我無愛食。伊無錢，我有58箍，你有偌濟？我有97箍。因是學生，是無？是，因是學生。毋是，因毋是學生。